Hello everyone, welcome to Quiz Class. In this video, we have 10 multiple choice questions with answers for competitive exam. Before start the video, I'll tell you the answer of the question asked in the previous video. So the answer is option C, accepting deposits from the public. Now let's start the quiz. Question number 1. Which is the second longest river flowing in India? Options are Yamuna, Godavari, Ganga, Brahmaputra. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option B, Godavari. Question number 2. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's statue in Gujarat is also known as Statue of Freedom, Statue of Diversity, Statue of Liberty, Statue of Unity. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option D, Statue of Unity. Question number 3. Which island was renamed as Abdul Kalam Island? Options are Viper Island, Barren Island, Wheeler Island, Rutland Island. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option C, Wheeler Island. Question number 4. Kaziranga National Park is located in options are Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Assam. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option D, Assam. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Quiz Colors. Question number 5. Which is known as Iron Man of India? Options are Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Vallabhbhai Patel. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option D, Vallabhbhai Patel. Hey viewers, here is the question for you. So the question is, which country is known for the dance form tango? Options are Brazil, Argentina, Spain, Mexico. Please write your answer in the comment box now. I will tell you the answer in the next video. Question number 6. Who was the first man to step on the moon? Options are Buzz Aldrin, Yuri Gagarin, Neil Armstrong, Michael Collins. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option C, Neil Armstrong. Question number 7. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located in? Options are Asia, Africa, Australia, South America. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option B, Africa. Question number 8. Which is the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar Island? Options are Ranchi, Silvassa, Port Blair, Kavaratti. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option C, Port Blair. Question number 9. Khajuraho group of monuments are situated in which state? Options are Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, Assam. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 10. Who was the first Indian to travel to space? Options are Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla, Rakesh Sharma, Ravish Malhotra. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option C, Rakesh Sharma. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Quiz Colors for more exciting quiz videos.